More tornadoes? Wait, what? No. No, no. Jesus! Oh God! Oh my God! No one said this would happen. They said there would be a tornado, but nobody said something about this. Oh my God, that person's on fire! God. Get in the car! Get in the goddamn car! Oh, come on, please start. Please, come on. Please. Please start. Please. The white car. Where? Oh God. Yes. Yes. Oh. Go. Go. Run. Oh no. Oh no. No. Not the big one. No. No. Get up. Get up. No. Oh God. Oh. 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 It threw me! Oh my God. Get in the tower! Max! Max! Oh no, I fell! Oh! Okay. Gotta go find him. No! Max! No! No, Max! Where are you? Where are you? Oh my God, it ripped off my wig! And my bow, where's my bow? Oh my God, that was I'm one of the only survivors. Oh my God, that hurt. Everybody died. Oh my God, all the rescue workers. Guys, go home. Everybody's dead. Thank goodness. Me and Max survived. God. Okay. Oh God. Max, where are you? Oh God. Oh. This can't be happening. Let's do. So we got the map. We already go to my parents' farm, the town, the hotel. I'm gonna go to the hotel. Hotel catastrophe. Man, I hope there isn't another catastrophe like the last one. I'm gonna stay at this hotel. It seems pretty sturdy. Hopefully something doesn't knock it down. Heard there's gonna be a lot of rain and a tornado. tornado today. Well, maybe a tornado. I like this hotel. This would be nice. This would be a good place to play hide and seek. Not actually, I'm role playing still. Yeah. Oh wait, Max didn't want to come. Oh. I guess Max was staying with his parents at the farm. Well, I got no more gas. Gotta stay at this hotel too. Till I can earn enough money, maybe help around. Wait, there's a tornado. Wait, I can help out with survivors. Maybe I can get paid or something. But I don't, this isn't, yeah, I don't even know. This, oh God, wait, what's that? What the heck is that? Is that a tornado? I can't see. Is that a tornado? Yeah, I don't think it is. I'm gonna go take a midnight dip. It says a tornado's touched down, but I don't see it. Oh God! I gotta get out of here. Run. Oh, please. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are they all ready? Are you okay? Hey! You okay? Oh God! Oh fuck! Yeah. I'm gonna live in here. Go. Oh my God! The hotel! There's no what an EF1 can do? No, this thing ain't EF1. This thing's like an EF3 or something, man. Oh God! Oh my God! Okay. Oh my, everything's falling. Everything's collapsing. Need a better look. There it is. I think it's starting to wither away. Yeah. Ew, it's gone. That was what the? What? Oh God! Oh no! The hurricane! Hurricane Albert. Hurricane Albert. But seriously, dude, I can't see anything. It literally just said it's no laughing matter. It knows. Oh God, I can't see nothing. Oh, category 3. Oh god. Oh god. It's gonna turn to category 4. Oh no. Oh god. Oh my god. Take cover. Oh. What is this place? I remember taking shelter. Under here and then passing out. God. What the heck is happening? Oh god. I'm under here. The debris cannot get me. Go behind this wall. Oh! Go, get under. Get me out of here. Oh god. Are you okay? Are you okay? You okay? Oh my god. The day I've had. I need to go home. Thanks for giving me the money. Now I can go get gas. Oh, that gas station looks ruined. Wait, is that even a gas station? What the heck is that? Things got wiped out so bad I can't even tell what that is. Oh yeah, that's a gas station. Let's get out of here. Well, bye guys. We're playing in Tornado Alley. Ultimate. This is a very fun game. I recommend you check it out on Roblox. Tornado Alley Ultimate. Yeah, do it. It's a very fun game. There's a whole bunch of game modes, as I can show you right over here. If you just come over here. Game modes and maps. There's 17 maps, 17 game modes. It's update. I mean, it's awesome. What the fudge? And there's no updates planned. Not yet. But we gotta get out of here before another tornado strikes. Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe because, well, why not? Tell me in the comments why not though.